Guys, what's up? If you're new, hello, my name is Whitney Wuzor, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So judging by the title, I'm guessing you guys already know what is about to go down. So this video is especially dedicated to all my curvylicious girls, my thick thigh girls, and my big booty girls. You cannot forget about the big booty. So if you were to ask me a couple of years ago what was my biggest insecurity, I would probably tell you my thighs. But over the years, I've just been like, F that. Why do I have to sit according to anyone's beauty standards except my own? So I've just learned to embrace it and just work around it. So being a thick thigh girl myself, I've been using these tricks and tips for a very long time, and it has worked for me tremendously well, and I'm pretty sure it'll work for you too. So if you learned something from this video, make sure you share it with your friends because I'm pretty sure they would benefit from this video too. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Now this is for all you girlies who love wearing shorts but are insecure about how your thighs look. The tip here is to wear shorts that accentuate your waist and is loose around your thighs. This gives an illusion of slimmer, longer looking legs. Bodycon 2-piece set from Fashion Nova. Now when you have thick thighs and you wear a bodycon ankle length anything, it just makes you look a lot more classier and a lot more sexy. If this look is way too much for you, you can even throw on a jacket. Now high-waisted palazzo pants is my favorite holy grail clothing piece. High-waisted palazzo pants make you look 10 times taller and slimmer than you actually are. So if you find a high-waisted palazzo pants at the store, get it and buy two. Next is following the baggy on top and body hugging at the bottom rule, and vice versa. This further enhances your body structure. Now when you wear a loose top, you can either tie it if you want, or you can insert it into your pants just to suit the kind of look you are going for that particular day. So guys, that's it for this video. I really hope that you liked it. If you did, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up and also comment down below if you thought that these tips would help you. And also don't forget to subscribe and join the fam because it gets lit around here. So join the fam like so, and also hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.